Let me help the old stinky dog while you guys are making money on the ride from 620.50 as long as it stays below the 9 back down to 620. Okay, hold on. Hi, I know. We're making millionaires. That's what we do here. So who shorted SPY below that 620.50? By the way, I'm going to show you guys in just a minute why I did completely opposite of everybody in the room and the world so that we could make money on that trade, okay? Because I know damn well everybody in the universe wanted to go long there. Just waiting for the break of 620 to the downside is what I'm looking for on your next A plus trade setup, right? Hold on, making a nice move, staying below the 9. If you guys heard what I said earlier, make sure you guys are sticking with this put all the way down to that 620 level as long as it stays below the 9. Everybody heard it before I left. Did you hear it? Yes. Thank you. Now, who else will tell you exactly what to do while they walk away? Huh? All right, right here, looking for this A plus setup pull. This is support right here. There it goes. I'm going to wait for this candle to come back because I am not grabbing the tail of that. It's not giving me anything to grab a hold of. It's just going to keep going. If that's the case, I'll go smaller. A plus level setup here below 620, right, gang? Good job. It just didn't give me anything to grab a hold of it. It just shot through it and bye-bye. If you guys shorted it, though, where I told you, you're in the biz, right? Yeah, if you guys shorted it, which was way up here at 620.50 when I told you, and then I said stay in it as long as it was below the what? 9. Thank you. Yep. Exactly what I told you exactly what to do, when to do it, why to do it, how to do it. It's like turning on a ATM and opening it up and saying, here you go. All right. While this is doing this, I'm not going to trade this. Let me show you guys what we were looking at. Trading mode. So while I went against the grain of the universe. All right. So while everybody was longing this, right, because you saw this beautiful move to the upside, this upside move, you have to remember a couple things. That 620.50 was a major level that we were looking at before. That was here, here, and all of this. So I already knew in my head, 620.56, I already knew was my resistance level. I saw this engulfing candle take over when it was trying to make new highs. This is why I bought puts right here. Then all I had to do was be patient, and you can see right when it broke out of this trend line to the downside, it was lights out. This right here is exactly when I said, as long as it stays below the 9, for you to stay in it until 620, which we hit 620, and it went lights out, right? So this right here is why I went against the world on an uptrend because of this spot, this resistance level with this engulfing candle. Couldn't hold, broke trend line, lights out, payday. Make sense? Remember, an engulfing candle is just a candle larger, the body larger than the previous candle. Everybody see this? Is this red body larger than this green body, everybody in the room?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Yeah,
it is.
it is.
And didn't it close below it, which is to the downside?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, there you go.
Gotcha. All right. Thank you.
Yeah, no problem. Right? It's always when any candle, it doesn't matter where, and the second candle that shows up, right, is larger than that candle, right? So this body is larger than this body, and you can see clearly down here when we have the space, meaning it's closing downside, right? This is bearish, and of course it was red versus the green, which was another huge identifier, right? That's all we were looking
Yeah.
for.
That's showing it didn't hold that level too, so you would wait to enter that because it didn't hold it.
That's correct. Yeah, if I wanted to long it, that's right. So if I wanted to long it, technically this candle has to close above this candle, previous candle high, right?
Yeah, it only took me 2.5 years to figure that out, but I got it.
That's what I call a
I'm right with you,
confirmation.
apparently.
Think about it. Isn't that what I always say a confirmation candle is?